this is Zach with Savage Traveling. I just wanted to give you guys my quick tips to Rome. Basically, book all your stuff in advance, your attractions and your hostels or hotels. You can do everything online these days, so it's no big deal. Check your reviews of your hostels and your hotels. You can use Booking or Hostel World and compare reviews, and so you don't get stuck with a dud, because it does happen. There are guys out there just trying to make money that don't really care about your comfort or basic needs. So just pay attention to that. Food in Rome, basically I just walk around until I find something that looks good and smells good, and I see the price and see if it's in my budget, and I go for it. There's just so many options that that's the only way I do it, you know what I mean? And if I find something I like, I might go back again. It just depends. Attractions, buy your tickets online early and then get there early, or you'll be doing it with everybody and their brother, which is not a big deal, but depending on your way of travel, you may want a little bit more quieter experience. So I suggest in the morning, or come in an hour or two before close, and you might have better luck. But on beautiful days like this in Rome, you're just not going to get away from the people. So other than that, just enjoy your experience here. It's one of the most sought out tourist and traveler destinations in the world, and for good reason. There's just so much to do and so much to see, and I recommend anybody to come here, first time travelers or long time travelers, just to get here and do as the Romans do, you know what I mean? But really though, it's a once in a lifetime destination I've been to twice now, and I hope to make it back again someday. So this has been Zach with Savage Traveling. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick ride to Rome. Peace.